Welcome to my YouTube channel. In 2023, with so many people posting YouTube videos at a very fast pace, ranking your videos is going to be really challenging. It's difficult to find the right keywords and phrases for your titles, tags, and description. But don't worry, you've come to the right place. Today, we will be looking at Google Keyword Planner to find the right and less competitive keywords for your YouTube content. So, without any further ado, let's get started. What you need to do is go to Google Keyword Planner. If you're unsure how to do this, just type Google Keyword Planner in your search bar, and please overlook any spelling errors. I'm sure most of you already have an account. If you don't, no worries, you don't need a specific Google Keyword Planner account to start. All you need to do is sign in with your Google email and password. Once you're in Google Keyword Planner, and if you don't have any Google account created, you can always create a new Google Ads account. I already have an account, so I can click on the one already active. Now, before you want to look for keywords, you should have an idea in mind about the type of videos you want to create. If you are clear of the video idea, then it will be a lot easier. Once you land on the Keyword Planner page, all you need to do is click on Discover New Keywords. For example, let's say I want to create a video on vegan recipes. You can choose the language you want your keywords to be in, and of course, you can choose the country. In my case, I'm going to use India and the USA, then click Save and get results. Once the page opens, you can simply close Refined Keywords. We don't need this right now, but we can use it later. So, once the page loads, you can see the keywords related to vegan recipes that Google found from searches in India and the United States between June 2022 and June 2023. It's only looking at Google searches. What you need to do is look at the keywords, average monthly searches, and your competition. This is the most important aspect of Google Keyword Planner. For instance, vegan recipes has medium competition and gets between 10,000 and 100,000 searches. What this means is that this is a decent keyword to rank for. It has sufficient searches, and the competition is medium, meaning there are quite a few people with content on this keyword. It can be a bit difficult to rank for this keyword if your channel is new and not monetized. However, for a new YouTube channel, our focus should be on low competition keywords. For example, vegan banana bread could be one of the topics for a video. You can include both banana bread and vegan recipe in your title or description because it has low competition and the average monthly search is around 10,000 to 100,000, making it a fairly low competitive keyword compared to vegan recipes. On the other hand, if you look at vegan cheese, it has high competition and a similar amount of monthly searches. This means that if you choose this keyword for your videos, it will be tough to rank. So, in order for you to rank, it's crucial that you use medium or low competition keywords. It's also crucial for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content. Once you've entered a keyword in Google Keyword Planner, it will give you related keywords as well. For example, vegan chocolate, vegan ice cream, or vegan breakfast, you get a mixed ranking for keywords with a good number of monthly searches. It's easier for you to rank your videos using low competition keywords. Now, let's say I want to expand my title or phrase. For instance, I'll write easy breakfast vegan recipe and then hit get results. Here, vegan breakfast is again a low competition keyword with a decent amount of searches, providing a good opportunity for you to use this keyword when creating your video. If you want to look at vegan breakfast recipes, you can scroll down and search for more keywords. You'll find about 2,419 keywords. The best way to sort through these is to download this list and then find the keywords you want in your Excel file. For instance, vegan meals has medium competition, vegan cookies has high competition, and vegan dinner recipes is a low competition keyword. It's easier for you to create videos on vegan dinner and get rankings by incorporating these keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. The best practice is to choose all the low competition keywords like vegan lunch ideas, vegan taco, etc., copy them, paste anywhere you want, or you can click on Add Keywords to Plan. This will add the keywords to your plan, and you can find them on the left under Plan Overview. All you need to do then is download these keywords, and you should be good to go with the title and your descriptions. The difference between low, medium, and high competition is that low competition will get you ranked. Medium is a bit tougher but manageable, and for high competition keywords, it's really challenging and requires accuracy and a good number of subscribers to rank. So there you have it. This is how you conduct your Google keyword research. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment below.